Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of modern TV cabinet design for your living rooms, TV wall units. Whether you are a design enthusiast or just looking for some ideas to spruce up your living space, you are in the right place. Now you might be wondering, why does TV cabinet design matters? Well, a well-designed TV cabinets not only enhance the aesthetics of your living room but also adds functionality. It can be a focal point or blend seamlessly into your interior design. Let's talk about the key elements of modern TV cabinet design. Modern design often emphasizes clean lines and a minimalistic approach. Less is more. Consider the materials: wood, glass, or a combination, and how they complement your overall decor. Look for cabinets that offer ample storage for media devices, remote, and more. It helps keep your living room tidy. No one likes a toggle of cables. Ensure your TV cabinet has provision for cable management. Now let's talk about how to choose the right TV cabinet for your living room. Measure your TV and the available space. Your TV cabinet should be proportionate the booth. Consider the exciting decor. Does it fit well with your interior style and color schemes? Think about what you will store in the cabinets. Do you need space for gaming, consoles, DVDs, or books? Set the budgets and stick to it. There are modern TV cabinets available at various price points. Finally, you might be pondering whether to buy a ready-made TV cabinets or go to the DIY route. Well, it depends on your preference and skills. If you are handy, build a custom TV cabinets can be a rewarding project. You can tailor it to your exact need and design. If you prefer conveniences or lack DIY experience, there are plenty of stylish pre-made options available. A modern TV cabinet can elevate your living room look and functionality. Remember the key elements: choose the right size and style, and decide whether to buy or build. We hope this video helpful you make a informative decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home design tips. Thanks for joining us today.